What to do if your specific person is breadcrumbing you in 3D. Hello beautiful soul, welcome back to my channel. This is Priya, your manifestation coach, and in this video I really want to shine some light on what to do if you are receiving crumbs from your specific person. But first, if you would like to get coached by me, you can get access to any of my offerings by simply clicking the link below in the description box. Okay, let's get back to this video. What to do if you are receiving breadcrumbs from your specific person. So breadcrumbs could look something like your specific person only calls you when they want a booty call. Your specific person perhaps only messages you once every 5 days. So in other words, your specific person is not going all in with you. They are not consistent. And this is triggering you. And you want to manifest the ideal version of them that is in a relationship with you, that is all in with you. How do you do this? Well, the first thing that we want to shine light on is, why is it that you currently manifested a version of your specific person that is breadcrumbing you? Why is that even in your reality to begin with? This will always come down to operating from an unideal self-concept. So your self-concept is how you see yourself regardless of your specific person. Do you have stories that say, I'm not lovable, I'm not good enough, I need fixing, I need healing, I'm not smart enough, I'm not pretty enough? Or do you have stories that say, I'm lovable no matter what, I am enough, and I am worthy to receive? If your self-concept, your identity is rooted in something is wrong with you in some shape or form, that you are not lovable, then reality must prove you right. And that is why you have called in a version of your specific person that is breadcrumbing you in some shape or form. Now, this does not mean that you have to tolerate disrespectful behavior, and I will come to that in a second, but I first wanted to talk about the energetics and about your state of being and your identity, so you understand why this is in your reality. So reality is mirroring back to you that you don't feel lovable, that you don't feel worthy to receive your ideal relationship with your specific person. So how do we change this? So the first thing that you want to do is focus on raising your self-concept. Begin to identify with a new story that says, I'm lovable no matter what, I am perfect, I am good enough, I am beautiful, I am magnetic as fuck, and begin to consciously stop identifying with stories that say, I'm not lovable, I'm not good enough, something's wrong with me, I need fixing, I need healing. When you begin to focus on raising your self-concept, you begin to feel whole from within. You begin to feel fulfilled from within because you're no longer needing your specific person in order to feel lovable. You feel lovable regardless of what they are doing. From there, you can then focus on your new narrative about your specific person, that you're in a loving, committed relationship with you, that they're all in with you, and that they are consistent. But you first want to absolutely take care of your self-concept, because if you don't take care of your self-concept, if you're still rooted in the identity of I'm not lovable, I'm not good enough, something is wrong with me, reality will continue to mirror that back to you in some shape or form. Even if you decided to no longer be with your specific person and you moved into a relationship with somebody new, that will be reflected back to you. You will play out the same pattern with somebody new because you're still rooted in the identity of I'm not lovable, I'm not good enough. So you always want to take care of your self-concept, regardless of your specific person or not. You want to know that you are lovable. You want to like yourself. You want to love yourself. You want to feel fulfilled. Now let's talk about how to stop tolerating breadcrumb or disrespectful behavior in the 3D with your specific person. So this is where you have to be brutally honest with yourself. Whilst you are shifting your self-concept and shifting your narrative around your specific person to a favorable one, the question that you want to ask yourself is, if my specific person continues to only call me for booty call and I participate in this, if my specific person only messages me once every 5 days and I continue to participate in this, am I going to be triggered? Is resentment going to build? And if the answer is a yes, then you no longer want to participate with this version of your specific person in the 3D. Instead, you want to remove yourself from the situation and just go all in with your self-concept and your new stories about your specific person. You can absolutely still manifest your specific person, the ideal version of them that you desire, whilst no longer tolerating disrespectful behavior or breadcrumbs in the 3D. Most people believe that when they are manifesting their specific person, they must tolerate the breadcrumbing. They must tolerate the disrespectful behavior, and this is the only way that they can manifest the version of their specific person that they desire. This is absolutely not true. This is a lie. You can absolutely put a boundary in the 3D and no longer participate in unhealthy dynamics, and at the same time focus on your self-concept, and at the same time know that your end is inevitable and it is done. This is the healthy way to manifest the version of your specific person that you desire. So I hope this video has helped shine some light on what to do if you are receiving breadcrumbs from your specific person in your 3D reality. You first and foremost want to focus on raising your self-concept so that you get to a place where you know that you are lovable, worthy, and good enough exactly the way that you are, where you are feeling fulfilled from within. And then from there, you want to focus on shifting the narrative around your specific person. Make sure that you have favorable stories about them, that they are all in with you, that you're in a loving relationship with them. And thirdly, you want to be brutally honest with yourself about if you are willing to tolerate the breadcrumb in the 3D whilst you're manifesting the ideal version of them. If the way that you are being treated feels disrespectful to you, if it doesn't feel good to you, you can absolutely choose to no longer participate in that dynamic and put a boundary in the 3D with your specific person, and at the same time focus on your self-concept and your new stories about your specific person. This is where you must be brutally honest with yourself about what you are willing to tolerate and not tolerate in the 3D whilst you are manifesting the ideal version of your specific person. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for being here. I love you. I appreciate you. Have a wonderful day or a wonderful evening. Mwah.